Vroom, vroom, let's go!
Vroom, vroom, let's go! Hop on the tractor nice and slow. Kids and animals come and ride. We'll take turns side by side. Hey! We are happy farmer friends, yes we are. Driving tractors on the farm, ha ha! Lily, Ben, and Maya too. Climb aboard, there's room for you. Turn the wheel and hold on tight. Rolling forward feels so right. Cow says moo, pig says wee. Riding tractors happily. Drive, drive, drive the tractor. Round and round we go. Kids and animals together. Sharing turns nice and slow. Drive, drive, drive the tractor. Up the hill and low. Farm jobs can be fun for everyone. Watch our teamwork grow. Now we help with farmyard chores. Carry hay across the floors. Tom and Sarah take a turn. Lots of things for us to learn. Bunny hops and rides along. Duck goes quack and sings a song. Chicks go peep and flap with cheer. Tractor fun is the best right here. Drive, drive, drive the tractor. Round and round we go. Kids and animals together. Sharing turns nice and slow. Drive, drive, drive the tractor. Up the hill and low. Farm jobs can be fun for everyone. Watch our teamwork grow. Now we park and wave goodbye. Sun is setting in the sky. Kids and animals shout hooray! We shared and learned today.